It's down. Oh, let's talk about. Hey, what's up, YouTube? How you doing? This boy got Alexa Cypher. I'm on, probably looking at the screen which says, Fidelity Mutual Funds right now. Wanna, show y'all something, man. How to pick out a, mutual fund. Basically, you kind of, in a sense of way, understand, from my knowledge, maybe somebody else might, when I did make some money off, I'm planning on getting back into it, but, doing that off my phone right now. We're going to, you can see where it shows you put up Fidelity, mutual funds. This is what it's going to read. It's basically going to introduce themselves to basically tell you what's going on. If you don't have an account with Fidelity, you can always, open up an account from a page, click on the little orange button, or whatever, put all your information in. Matter of fact, you can click on this button so you can show you where it leads to. You can say open account, easy open for new account, take just minutes. What's it do? Man, I got two accounts. I got a traditional and universal account. What they do is both of us a little different. What you want? Hold on, I'm gonna get ahead of myself. Savings for retirement, we're gonna roll over IRA, traditional IRA, and Roth IRA. But they all operate a little different. I'm not quite sure what the rollover IRA is. But I know what traditional is. Anybody that deals with IRA, they know traditional and Roth are two different types of IRA. Then next one it says investing and trading. This is basically open up a broker's account. Whatever. This is basically the name says it, so you're investing and trading. Not sure how to pronounce that name. Pronounce that trading. I guess it's supposed to be Bitcoin or some type of other stuff investing. Got another account. It says Fidelity Cash Management Account. Spending and savings. They got quite a few accounts. Depends on what official need. That's what I'm trying to get. Then you got a safe, self-employed and growth business. SEP, I guess basically self-employment. IRA, small business. HSA. And cash management account for work. I said they got quite a few. I mean, they got savings and investments for a child, 529 account. That's basically where it goes in when you want to set up a way for your child to do investments. I'm not sure on the age range with that, but I know there's the stipulation. I think it's age. I want more like an age restriction. They gotta be a certain age to qualify. Let me see if they got a age restriction on here. I am, but I'm not gonna work. I'm about to go to that. Manage your account, Fidelity Go. Open a Fidelity Go account, Fidelity Manager for 5 to 4. So you see what accounts they have. Domestic, international sectors. This is what you see at the top of the list. Domestic, international sectors, fixed income, asset allocation, index, money market. I was already kind of looking at it. That's why I kind of see highlights the difference. But now we're going to explore research. Research all fidelity funds. Click on this button right here. Oh, okay, hold on, my bad. Wrong one. Matter of fact, matter of fact, let's go back here. That's what we're gonna do. This, this basically shows you what's on there. Do not know where to begin. It basically kind of gives you an idea. You can go click on that. But see me, I do all fidelity funds. Whatever. You can leave that blank, but this is how I do mine. Cause I know what sectors I'm currently looking for. Allocation, that's the top one. You can see where it ranges for each one commodity. I look up for another. Municipal bonds. When it says municipal bonds, you can click each individual ones that you want. But you know what? Let's talk about this. I'm not doing that one. Oh. Oh, forgive me for a second, kind of preoccupied with something. I really don't do municipal bonds. Taxable bonds. That's what I do. Taxable bonds like bank loans. You see right there, bank loans, corporation loans, energy market bonds, global bonds, all that, high yield bonds, inflation and protection bonds. I mean, list goes on. Long-term bonds. U.S. equity. I'll click on that one too. Once you get past that, you can because it shows like when you do that, you can close it back up. It shows you 4 asset classes, 53 categories. Because once you click that, you basically eliminate this one right here. So for fidelity fund. But just for me, what I do, I put a little dick out because some of these bonds is like you can get returns, but you can get some is high, some is low. I do expense low because it might. Okay, you see where it jumps to 75. You see when I goes up one, jumps to 117, 144. But see when you start to go high returns, you see I jump 193. I go back. You see, you get more options on what you're looking for. What shows you? Click on the 159. There's multiple ways I could actually show you this. It'll show you all your top performance right now. Large value. large blend, which is the first couple ones. I'm gonna show you one that I'm probably have a better understanding. Well, I can't say a better understanding, a better comparison to. What you see is, you're gonna click on one of these. Today we're gonna do large blend right here. This large cap stock fund. You see year to date it's up 14.7%. Last year 24/7, 3 years 2.1 goes on even get down to the life of the fund. Where it shows you 9.49%. That goes over since they began. But it shows you the percentage what they got over the last 1, 3, 5, 10 years. Gross expense ratio net is 0.84. Gross is 0.84. I'm sitting here looking at my dog right now. Breaking down to more, says more side. Category risk. It's kind of more like a medium. So it's really, you have risk, but don't have risk. You feel what I'm saying? Okay, standard deviation. Now the bus is 17.67%. Got divided. See, now it breaks that down. What I gotta do the Google search, you got to divide that number by 4. The number you get, might want to write that down to the side. I'm going back to that number in a minute. The number going to be very important. 3-year shop ratio, especially last 3 years where that particular fund has moved. It's gonna move, but it's not gonna move at the rate most people think it's gonna move. It's not gonna be where the market is high, it's gonna skyrocket. Which is gonna move, but where the market's low, it's not gonna skyrocket back down to its low. It's gonna be at its own steady pace. You know what I'm saying? It's like it's turtle. Racing the rabbit. You may not know how. It's like you get to the finish line, but you not know, but you don't never see it pass. You feel what I'm saying? Beta is something. I just said to keep eye on, but not really keep eye on. It's kind of moves, like I said, that kind of, don't include that in the one at the bottom. It basically tell you that you market at 100%, right? Market at full capacity at 100%. It moves at 100%. Like, oh, okay, now, yeah, it's at full capacity move. You see that, 93, 95, it moves at a steady pace, but it's not going to be on your heel like that. Because it moves when you move, but it's not going to fall as quick as you fall. You feel what I'm saying? Management and fees. Been current management since the last 19 years. They don't show no name, who the manager is. No, fidelity, no. Well, on this page, it's not going to show the manager, but if you do click on one of the articles on the same page, it actually shows you. Matter of fact, this might show you. Matter of fact, let me see if I can do. I'm gonna push research. I can show you a little better. Okay, take you to the page I want you to look at. Yes, that is the current price. That's 51.72. Gotta look for some here. Now, if you're on this page, you go to the three little dots where I'm supposed to push view all. Uh, it says view all. It might not refresh like the other page, but it's gonna get you the information that you need based on the same information in a different way. As a matter of fact, for fidelity mutual funds, in they funds, you don't have a minimum balance to invest. Like what it says, minimum to invest is gonna show you. Sure, you can put $26 in, which might get you a half a share. See what I'm saying? But if you got, I mean, you can throw money in your fidelity account, whatever, and don't have to start buying. I guess you would say buying and selling trades. I mean, mutual funds at a particular time. You might want to get to a certain number before you start trading. Because at the time when you open up an account, you can have a watch list as well. With that, you can watch that particular fund. You might have put in, say, this one is FLCSX, which is very large cap stock fund. You put that number, have that watch. You might watch that for 3-4 weeks, a month, 2 months, 6 months, however long you feel till you feel comfortable want to invest. See, turnover ratio is 15%, so it's very low turnover ratio, which is good. Profile net asset, 4,187.89 cents. Last 12 months, highs and lows is going to show you as last updated information they put in. Cause they don't do it every day. When the market close, they do every 30 days at the end of the month. When it goes show us the update. Cause they gotta want to have all the information correct before they go to say like somebody like me want to come in here and look at something. You know what it does in the last 30 days. It doesn't last 6 months. It doesn't last 3 months. I mean 90 days. You feel what I'm saying? They can provide that information without having what I said earlier. They give a stock manager name and information. If it does, they give us your name. Matt, I don't know how to pronounce that name. But it gives you his name, what he did, the funds that he did. Prior to coming to this one, you see he did quite a few. They did the years, time we served with them. That particular fund, how long? Well, probably will show you how long you've been with Fidelity as well. Look like you've been with Fidelity for a minute. 2005, I can see early. You know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, this is a screen. I'm glad I came through anyway. That's a fund overview. We're basically showing you the overview of that fund. You follow my information or following maybe some else information, but I'm just giving you a narrow breakdown how to what to look for when you're looking for in a mutual fund. This is what I deal with. Mutual fund is basically a fund dealing with a bunch of stocks, put under one. You feel what I'm saying? Instead of buy each individual stock, you might want to buy Nike here, you might want to buy Adidas here, you might want to buy invest in Amazon or Roku or something like that, or Walmart. You can put all them stocks into one. Back to where it says fund overall view. Top sectors was countries in the United States was 80 almost 86%, almost 20%. Most of it was in information technology, and they give you basically was an object. See long-term growth of capital. I mean, you basically give you information which you can sit there and read. You can tell it's probably in the Russell 1000. Just by looking at it. This is basically a graph of that particular fund over the last 10 years in the life. It basically shows we looking at right there where it says year. It's basically what it did over last year, like the other screen, but it breaks it down into like a chart, like a graph. You understand what I'm saying? They give you, because some people can't understand when you put it in one way, but if you put it in like a graph, they'll understand a little much better. Matter of fact, I'll take it back. It's in the S&P 500. It gives you a breakdown 1 year, 3 year, 5 year, 10 year life of span. I mean, it's off by 0.5% from life of span with S&P. You feel what I'm saying? It's not a bad fund. But don't take my advice. Take your own personal advice. Do your research. Know what you wanted to do. You understand? You gotta come up with. When you start doing stocks and mutual funds, you gotta come up with a plan. You gotta come up with what you want out of life, how long you want to be in it, how much you want to invest in, how much time and effort that you want to put into this. You feel what I'm saying? You can tell the difference between all three. Fidelity, S&P 500, and large blend, which is going to basically on one side color. Tell the difference. You know what I'm saying? This is going to be a chart right here for Fidelity, whatever give you. Hypothetical growth for 10,000. Say we would have put 10,000 in 10 years ago. You feel what I'm saying? Compared to now. So if you would put 10,000 in 10 years ago, at this particular moment, it looked like it might got up to, hold on, tripping. got over 30,000. We got that way down. So basically 10 years, you basically almost triple that money. You know what I'm saying? But that comes with a lot of ups and downs too. Back in 2022, had a bad year. Everybody come up to it right now. But you ain't losing much. I can tell right there, you ain't losing much as the rest of them do. But actually, this right here breaks down in the year for all three: Fidelity, S&P, and large blend. This is one of them. I'm sure you don't have to buy the stock in particularly. Breaks down 2024, which is this year. Remember, I tell you that 21. What was 21/17? That was 17. Go back in the video. Matter of fact, go back in the video, you probably will tell what I'm talking about, where it says standard deviation, bait, RO2, another one that's up there. Did you kind of force us numbers? Remember how it shows you was up 4.5%. No, 4.05%. And you see how that was actually 9.54%. I tell you that where that number's gonna come and affect it, it's gonna show you a little different. I'm not saying that Fidelity numbers is wrong, but it's actually showing you understanding how one number affect the other. You feel what I'm saying? But just like I said, you do the number divided by 4, you give or take, you pinpoint where it's approximately gonna be. You feel what I'm saying? Without being off too much. This year 9.54. Last year you sitting on 23.52. Look like you only had 2 bad years, 2022 and 2018, or maybe another 2015. Yeah, so basically looking at 3 out of the last 10 years been down. And you see it breaks down between the two your fund versus the other two. If it's not in the red, you know, it's been positive than that. Even though 2022 shows 7.95 loss, but SP 18.11. So it's basically didn't lose as much. That's why I said the other number. The other number I should big with is 90 it was 95, 85, or 92. One of them numbers. I said it moves with the market, but don't fluctuate like the market. Like it kind of lags back. Do not take the full blow like the market. You understand what I'm saying? They'll take a punch to the gut or something like that. You feel what I'm saying? Just giving you a little. Just hoping get y'all to understand how things work in a second. Everybody know YTD is year-to-date daily. Then got YTD monthly breaks down 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. This is going off today's date. What's today's date? Wednesday 29th. Let's see what time it is. In the morning. Market is closed. 2% couldn't be that bad. Cause look at, couple pennies. But these numbers are accurate. I know, cause like I said, I did fidelity before mutual funds. These numbers are very accurate when it comes to 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. So I know these numbers not too much off. But see, we have to understand fidelity to understand how they operate. They give you the correct number. You just have to learn how to understand it properly. Fidelity's not going to sit there lie to you. They're not going to give you false information or something that you need to know. They put it right there in front of your face. You just have to understand what's at hand. You feel what I'm saying? Okay, now I'm going to go back to what I was saying. There you go, right there. 17.67%. Divide that by 4, you're looking at 4. Well, give me a second. 4 and a half. I'm thinking probably close to 4 and a half. I ain't got a calculator in front of me right now. When I said bait, sharp ratio, R/2. Sharp ratio is more how it moves towards the sharp. Bait is more like how it reacts to the market. But in the concept, it's not. Market might take a hit if that fund take a hit. It ain't gonna take as big as a blow like the market. Okay, well, let me pull that back out to what we was talking about a few minutes ago. Right here, you see how when the market took a blow in 2022, 7.95. You see how the S&P took a 18.11% loss. But as far as that sector, the loss been took a 16.96 loss. That will ratio and bait coming there. It's not gonna take a bad of a blow. You see what I'm saying? As long as it's not over 1, you good. You see what I'm saying? In a sense of a way. You really not putting yourself in a bind. But now this is where we come to history, fund performance. Every year it breaks down to what it says, share class net asset, and then it breaks down to capital gains and dividends. Now, you're probably gonna hit this, if you look at fidelity, or probably maybe not fidelity, but probably somewhere else, mutual fund. What's that? TD Jacob. TD Trade. What's that trade company? Charles Schwartz. I don't know. That's the trading name. But you probably heard on term where it says DRIP, dividends reinvestment program. I can tell you how Fidelity does this. It'll take say like both of these the capital gain and the dividends came out on the same day, right? It's gonna add both of them up, right, to whatever the total price. Total thing might be, I'm looking at probably 80 plus 47, 87, hold up. 80 plus 47, so you're looking at 80 plus 47, that's 120, 127. 120, well, you're going to look at 127.7. Because you got the 4 that's there. But I don't know if they, I don't know how that works for that with the extra number on there. But I know with the 127, say if we got like, that's going to be your total difference, 127.7. That's how it's going to look on the thing. Let me calculate. Fidelity got it with their own way of making how it adds up as well. But say if you got like 30 stocks, 30 mutual funds in that particular fund, right? They're gonna do that 127 times 30. Whatever that number comes up with is probably gonna be close to between 145 and 147 and a half, maybe 148. They're gonna take the total amount where it got and it's gonna back to where it says drip. Dividends reinvestment program. They're gonna reinvest that funds back into your mutual funds. And when they do that, they're gonna show its value. When you look in your account, it's gonna show its value per share. That number actually gonna drop a little bit due to the fact that it's basically reinvested your dividends back into it. You feel what I'm saying? Might have a little more profit. But see, when it does that, the day does it drop, it's not gonna show you your actual price for that particular day because it's got to do the investment. The ones got your final number of shares. Then it's if you got a positive that day, then they're gonna calculate the positive with the shares you have. And it breaks it down every year. It'll show you your. Come on, I'm trying to put the screen on. Each year, positive loss, dividends, capital gains. These are actual numbers for the dividends and capital gains. You got for each individual dividends or capital gains might show you. Well, capital gains come out most of it in the year. Dividends might come out. It depends on the fund. It might come out 3 months, 6 months, maybe even once a year. But most of the dividends at the end of the year is gonna be the same. Dividends, capital gains might be at the same year, at the same time. Now, as far as this right here, ranking, how what it shows you is ranked 413 3,419. You basically getting information where it sits at. Now, this part right here, major market sectors, and basically give you a breakdown of this particular portfolio. You feel what I'm saying? From the S&P. And it shows you the difference, whatever. Some might be higher and some areas than others. You feel what I'm saying? Look at that one first. Information technology, which is basically tech division. Industrials next. Finance afterwards. Healthcare. Communication service. Energy. Commodities. Staples. Consumer discretion. You got materials, utility, real estate, and you got other. From where It gives you every percentage breakdown for each sector. You feel what I'm saying? Probably ain't gonna never find two market and they profile out the same. You feel what I'm saying? Equals style mapping. It basically gives you, it shows you basically where square boxes is history, circles where it's currently. Self-explanatory. Which says laws been the number update which is 95.67 funds asset coverage. Here you go, asset allocation. Not a step between your asset allocation, but this is basically breakdown on to the percentage of where your money's at. Domestic, international, if you got bonds in it or has cash and other assets. In this case, maybe FX forward. We can see the percentage where it goes to. They're gonna break down this section right here, where it says top 10 holdings. The top 10 basically holding this particular fund 39.62% of your total portfolio out of 176. This is as of April 30th, 2024. Microsoft, ExxonMobil, General Electric, Wells Fargo, Nevada, Corporate, I'm saying it correctly. Bank of America, Bank of America, Facebook, which is basically Metal, Apple, Boeing, and Google. I don't know about Boeing. Boeing's been in the news lately. Excuse me. But I hope Boeing get better. I ain't trying to wish bad luck on Boeing. But it is what it is. But like I said, that's the top 10 that's in that portfolio, which is 39, almost 40%. Basically, yeah, so almost 40%. So the other 60% is covered over the 166 in that fund. This basically show you the region, the versatile countries different. Based on what I'm saying, currently, I'll go back and let y'all look at it. It's basically almost the same. I mean, in a way. Actually, but the last one's a little different. Got more in the U.S. than Canada and any other country. The fund basically, this basically shows you a little information. The fund basically started in April. No, but tell you what. Fund, it's sitting at, I want to see if I'm correct. I might be wrong. But I'm looking at 622.95. But they got factions. Yeah. April. I don't know why that should be last year. I'm gonna tell you. But like I said, you're looking at the way it says dividends per remember I said dividends and got certain they all pay out. There's a date. That's the amount they give you, and that's the reinvestment price at the time they reinvest it. Same thing as capital gains. Well, I guess for this one, capital gains pay on the same day, so you get both of them prices together. It's basically if you got an account with them with Fidelity, You good. 12-month. The lows are high. Well, here's like the breakdown of the 12-month. This is looking at this particular fund. That's everything. I guess I can show y'all. Guess I'm kind of in the video where you can't write a check to them, automatic do account. But I guess we're going in this video. But if y'all wanna like this video, I mean, do like, share, and subscribe to this video. I do more videos like this. Y'all have a blessed day. Well, yeah, blessed day. Bye.